Apply non-toxic dirt eater, mold and E. coli killer cleaning solution. This special cleaning fluid is allowed to seep into your grout to break down and loosen accumulated soil, grease, contaminants, mold and mildew. With specially designed brushes, we scrub and agitate every single grout line as well as your tile surface. Edge and baseboard cleaning are also performed at this stage. Tiles and grout are thoroughly washed using pressurised water. All water, cleaning solutions and contaminants are captured and extracted from your property in one process. The system is completely controlled with no overwetting of carpets or walls. Once the ECO cleaning process is completed, we thoroughly dry the surface ready for a non-toxic protection sealer. Apply a penetrating water-based indoor sealer to grout lines, with excess spread across your floors giving you full floor protection. It lasts up to 7 years, retards mold regrowth and makes cleaning easier. Call us today on 1300 698 559 or email sales@unitedtradelinks.com.au or visit our website www.unitedtradelinks.com.au.